Okay. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it. Ooh, this.
Hey kitchen gangers, hey y'all. Welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen, where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today, we're going to do some TikTok hacks. Yes guys, we're going to see how fun this is and we're going to see how much it works, so stay tuned.
So you bagged him. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty.
So guys, for our first hack, all you need is your milk, a mug of course, your Oreos, and a fork. So the first thing that you need to do is to add your Oreo to your mug. So I'm using 8 cookies, and just like that, I'm going to pour it right in my cup. And then I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to pour my milk right over. I think we should do this slow motion style. Now for our next step, you're going to just use your fork to crush your Oreo cookies inside of your milk. What you want to do is to add your cake to your microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that's what we're going to do now. There you have it. There you go guys, our mug cake. This looks so good. It actually turns out good. Ooh, yes. You know, we like things on the fancy side, so all I did was just dust mine with a little bit of tea sugar, and there you have it. Icing sugar rather. Some chips, and all you need is your tortilla, some cinnamon, sugar, and your butter for brushing. Now the first thing that you want to do is to cut your tortilla in some strips. Depends on what style and size you want. Now what you want to do is to arrange them on your baking tray like that, you know what I mean? Gonna put them all over, arrange them on your tray, yeah. Now just like that, you want them on your tray, and then you're going to add a little butter, a little melted butter. Oopsie, I guess I need to use my hand here. Now what you want to do is to add some cinnamon and sugar. So you're going to pour a little bit of cinnamon into your sugar. And you're going to mix that a little bit just like this. And then you're going to have your cinnamon sugar. And what you're going to do is to sprinkle right over on top. And then you're going to got your chips, your cinnamon biscuit, your cinnamon chips, whatever you want to call it. Know what I mean? And you're going to just sprinkle right over town. Right over there. Like that. Like that, and that, and that, and that.
When the song come on, let me see you get gone.
Get gone.
Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mom.
So guys, for this hack, we're going to need some marshmallows and some chocolate. Some chocolate. And what you want to do first is to just melt your chocolate in the microwave for about 5 seconds, and then you're going to top it off with your marshmallows. So guys, we melted our chocolates for a little bit, and now you're going to add your marshmallows all over, and then you're going to toss it in the oven, and you're going to let it broil for a few minutes, and then you have your s'mores. Yeah, just like that. See that? You see that? No, that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining the kitchen gang. Now guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, goodbye. Where's everyone? Smash that subscribe button, y'all. Smash it. Oh yes.